So some of you may have seen that I was not using a coaster in our latest coffee table video, and that's just a big no-no. I've also been trying to clear out my scrap lumber cart a little bit more, so I decided to make some coasters and preserve this tabletop a little bit more. Let's get to it.
Like always, we'll start by getting all the material down flat and to the same size. Now that I've got my layout, it's time to glue it up. Let's head over to the planer to get everything nice and flat. We'll use a stop block to make sure each coaster ends up the same size. Now I'll start on the holder. This will be a simple design made of a piece of walnut and some dowels. Check out this super high-tech clamping method I use on these dowels. Now let's watch this walnut and maple come to life. After that's had some time to dry, I'll come back and wipe off the excess with a shop rag. I put on these felt pads so the coasters could slide a little easier.
That's much better. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see the project video for this awesome coffee table here, I'll leave that in the description below, and you can also subscribe to see more just like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.